Welcome to today's Excel tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create basic charts in Excel to visualize your data. Whether you're working with sales numbers, survey responses, or any data, charts can help make information easier to understand. Let's get started. Step-by-step instructions. Selecting your data. To begin, select the data you want to include in the chart. Highlight the cells that contain the values and labels. For this example, we'll use sales data across different quarters for a few products. Inserting a chart. Once your data is selected, go to the Insert tab. In the Charts group, you'll see options like column, line, pie. Click on the chart type that best fits your data. Let's start with a column chart. Excel will create the chart automatically based on the data you selected. Customizing the chart. After inserting the chart, you can customize it. Click on the chart to see additional options in the Chart Design and Format tabs. You can change the colors, add data labels, and adjust the chart title. To edit the title, simply click on it and type in a new one that reflects your data. Switching chart types. If you want to try a different chart type, go to the Chart Design tab and click Change Chart Type. Excel will allow you to switch between various chart styles like line, bar, or pie charts to see what best represents your data. Moving and resizing the chart. You can also move and resize the chart to fit within your worksheet. Click and drag to move it, or use the corner handles to resize. Closing. And that's it. Now you know how to create and customize basic charts in Excel. With just a few clicks, you can turn raw data into a clear visual story. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any Excel questions you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching.